Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What I want to show you today is the Keeper Kwik Feed ratchet straps and why you want to use these to secure your next load. Let's take a closer look. The Keeper Kwik Feeds come in several sizes. The two that I have here today is the 1,000-pound load limit, and it's an 1.5" by 16 foot long strap. And then also I have the 1" by 12 foot, and it's a 500 pound working limit. So what makes these unique is this, is when we look at inside of the ratchet mechanism, you have a cut that allows you to insert the strap without having to feed it through like you normally would on a ratchet strap. So now we have a quick feed, hence the name, but when we're ratcheting this, we can do it, just slip it in and then ratchet it without having to feed it through. I'll show you how that works in just a moment. Let's go ahead and open these up, take a little closer look. I'll start with the 12 foot size, a 1". And a couple of features that are nice on these straps is one, the metal clip has a spring-loaded gate that allows it to click onto something and stay installed. It can't fall off, it can't work itself loose. So that's nice. There's lots of times I see ratchet straps on the side of the road because they work themselves off of the hook that maybe they were placed on. Well, you're not going to lose your strap with this little gate in place. So nice feature there. So another nice feature is the webbing has what they're calling extreme edge, and it's a reinforcement along the edge of the webbing that allows you to not have the abrasion or wear on the edge that you normally would experience with a ratchet strap. So you can feel it actually, it's actually material sewed in or woven into the material along the edge. So they're calling that extreme edge. And when we open the strap, it's just like we're familiar with already. It has a handle in the center to pull that up, and you can open it up, and then you have your lock down here. Once you have it completely open, pull this back, and then you have the ability to pull the strap out. But this is the Kwik Feed right here. Let's take this little tag out of here. And now we get a better view of that barrel inside, where now we can slip that strap in from the side. Let me see if I can't demonstrate that for you. I'm gonna go ahead and tension it on something here in a moment too. But this allows us to do this. It allows us to bring the strap in and just slip it in, and then we can go to town ratcheting our strap just like that. And to loosen it, same thing. We pull back, allows us to pull it loose, and there we are, it's loosened up. So very easy to manipulate this and get a strap in there so that we can go ahead and strap our load down tight. Let me go ahead and string this up between two pieces of metal and show you how that works under tension, and maybe we get a little bit better view of that. So to demonstrate how these straps work, I already connected it into a piece of metal on the far side. I also connected the other end of the strap onto a piece of metal and a vise on this side, so we already know how the hooks work. That's pretty standard, same across the board. Doesn't matter what kind of strap you use, hooks are the same. This is where the difference is. Most of the time in the past for me, because I'm never going back, I'd have to go through my strap. Usually it looks like a pile of spaghetti, and find the end. Feed that end into my strap, and then go ahead and pull it through until I get tension, and then I could ratchet it down tight. Well, those days are over, because now what I can do is I can grab my strap anywhere along its length. Anywhere, it doesn't have to be the end. I can simply feed it into the groove just like this, give it a little tension up to where I need it, and then I can go ahead and tension the strap. As simple as that. And now your strap is tensioned and ready to go. I didn't have to do any feeding or anything like that. That's what keeps these straps so easy to use. The Kwik Feed system is an ideal way to make it so that you're not having to find the ends or anything like that. So once I have a strap tensioned, I can go ahead and release it like you're usually used to. Just pull back on this orange safety, push it all the way back, and there's my strap released. What's nice too is also I don't have to pull the cord all the way through this strap. I can just bring it out a little bit and then work it through the edge of our barrel here. So again, just one more time real quick. Anywhere I want to grab that strap, feed it into here, put some tension on it, and go ahead and start ratcheting, and you're going to be good to go. So very simple to use, definitely going to be an easier way to handle your ratchet straps. So there you have it. There's a quick demonstration of the way the Keeper Easy Feed works. It does make life a lot easier using ratchet straps. Hopefully makes it easier to secure your loads. And you can find these online at Home Depot and they go for $16 for the smaller set, about $23 for this larger set. You know, I'm curious, what do you use to secure the loads in your trucks and trailers? Leave us a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do so you don't miss out on any of our latest news and reviews. And as always, thanks for watching.